Howdy Brewers. Well, it's the moment of truth today. We're going to see how our clone of this beer turned out. I've bottled it, so it's bottle conditioned. Hopefully it's carbonated. I not quite met the 2-week requirement, but we'll see. There's a bit of carbonation in there. That's a good sign. Maybe a little too much. Wait a second. Okay, so even though we threw that crystal malt or that special beer and that roasted malt in this beer, it's still slightly lighter. And I wasn't not much. It's very, very close. It's like maybe 1 or 2 on the SRM scale difference. So smell. Look at the head on this. It's very tight. And this is the commercial Rogers. This is mine, and it is like a volcano in there. I'll see if I can. See if you can see that. So, I guess that means it's too much carbonation. In terms of the smell, this one has a slightly stronger crystal malt smell. Has a tiny bit of grass to its smell, which you can get from Cascade. This, you can smell the special bee malt, just not as strong, and the same amount of grassy notes come through. I'll taste this one first as the reference point, knowing it's going to coat my tongue or my palate with some of its flavours. Smooth, sweet, and like an orange fruit cake, if I was to describe that. Now I'll try this bubbly beast. It has more of the burnt sugar flavour, so more caramel flavour than this one. It has more carbonation in it, which masks some of the flavours because your tongue gets coated with the carbonation, which is carbonic acid, which can come across as a bit, it just masks other flavours. In terms of the malt profile, it's very close. So this one tastes like like a dark fruits, and this one it tastes like more caramel, more toffee, burnt sugar. Not as much hop flavour is coming through than I thought it would. Well, I guess I need to throw more in the flavour additions. You can certainly tell them apart by flavour, hardly by appearance, and hardly by aroma. Now this is warmed up, you get the hops, you get the grassy notes from the hops. This one has more hop flavour, but I prefer the malt profile in this one with the caramel sweetness from the Special B. So in terms of clone, not quite there, but I would say in the 70 to 80% there mark. Maybe a 10% increase, 20% increase on hops, and for this one, and I wouldn't use Special B next time. I'll probably use just a dark crystal, like a Joe White dark crystal. In terms of which one I prefer, yeah, I like the Little Rogers, or Little Creatures Rogers Ale, really do, which is why I wanted to clone it in the first place. But this one is not without its place. It's really crisp. In terms of it's really clean, it's well balanced. There's just less hop flavour and a slightly different malt profile than the commercial beer. In terms of smell and aroma, in terms of aroma and appearance, very, very similar. It would be hard to tell them apart just on appearance and aroma, but flavour, you can tell that there is a difference. Alright, I've been talking enough. Hope you liked it. And yeah, if you want to give this a go, change the Special B to dark crystal and change the hops from 1 gram per litre to 1.5 grams per litre. Yeah, 1.2 grams per litre, so what would that be? 21 grams, 25 grams roughly. Yeah. My maths is no good. Not today. Alright. Till next time everyone. Happy brewing.